Hey you, are you tired of Windows running like crap? Wanna go from this to this? Well, this easy step-by-step guide is for you. Quick disclaimer, make sure to back up your files just in case and make a restore point. There won't be any registry tweaks and all overclocking is optional. Open up your Windows setting, go to System, turn off notifications, make sure Focus Assist is off, change your screen on time and sleep timer, keep on Storage Sense. In tablet mode, make sure it doesn't change, and then in multitasking you can preference. Make sure you're not sharing your PC files. And then clipboard, I keep it on. Remote desktop, turn it off. Go to mobile devices, make sure it's turned off. Go to network. Turn Wi-Fi off if you're using Ethernet. And then hotspot off. Yeah, I'm using Ethernet. Turn off VPN options if you're not using it. Airplane mode off, proxy off. Then in personalization, go to colors, turn off transparency effects, and this is all personal preference. I prefer small taskbar icons. Then over to apps and uninstall anything that you're not using to free up space. Go to default apps. I have video players as photo and I use Brave now. Go to offline maps. Delete all maps, turn it off. We don't want them to track us. Startup, make sure to turn off any app that you don't want starting. Vanguard, you kind of have to, and your audio. If you want Discord, you can turn it on when your PC starts. And make sure to use a local account so your information doesn't get leaked. Turn off any sign-in options. No school or work account. Turn off backup. Now in time, set your time and then turn it off. Go to the gaming tab, turn off game bar. Make sure it doesn't record. And turn off game mode. That's a preference. I think gray mode doesn't actually help with FPS and latency. Now go to ease of access. I like my mouse inverted. This is preference. I'll go to your mouse settings, additional mouse settings. Go to pointer options. Make sure it's at the 6th tick. And disable enhanced pointer precision. Now in search, you can turn off the anyways, we're not using Bing. Clear the history. You can choose classic or enhanced. If you do a lot of Windows search, you can go to privacy. Make sure everything's off. Turn everything off. Don't ask for feedback. Delete. Don't track my activity history. Location, turn that off. Clear. Camera, I have a webcam, so I gotta use it, or else turn it off. Microphone, if you use Discord or games, you have to turn it on. Voice activation, I don't use it, turn it off. Notifications, it's annoying, turn it off. Well, I mean, if you want Discord, that's fine. Account info, turn it off. Contacts off. Calendar off. Phone calls off. Call history off. Email off. Tasks off. Messaging off. Radio off. Other devices are off. Background apps off. App diagnostics off. Documents off. Pictures off. Videos off. File system off. Never know, if you get a virus, then make sure your Windows is up to date. Go to delivery optimization, make sure that's off. Now in Windows security, open it up. Core isolation, turn it off. It tanks your FPS. Well, we're done for this step. Now we're going to be debloating Windows with the most trusted utility. This tool is made by Chris Titus. I'll have the link of the GitHub page in the description. Once you're on the page, scroll down until you find the launch command, copy it, and then open up Windows PowerShell, run as an administrator, and then copy and paste and run it. This window will pop up. Go to the Tweaks tab. You'll see there's a lot of stuff going on, but for now click on Standard. Go to the right, disable Bing search in Windows. Remove sticky keys. Disable multiplane overlay. Enable file extensions. And add the ultimate performance power plan. You will automatically have a restore point, so don't worry, but don't take my word for it. Read through all of these tweaks. I'll be debloating Brave and Edge. Make sure to disable recall, that's spyware. Disable hibernation only if you're not using a laptop. And for the advanced tweaks, I would disable background apps. If you're on Windows 11, you're gonna have to do it one by one. If you're on Windows 11, set classic right click menu. I'll be setting display for performance, less eye candy. You can block Razer software installs. Disable Microsoft Copilot. If you want to undo a tweak, check mark it and click on undo selected tweaks. For now, let's run tweaks and let it do its thing. It should take about 10 minutes. Once the tweaks are finished, you can close it out. And to apply the tweaks, you'll have to restart your PC. When you're back, right click on your taskbar, click on Task Manager and go to Services, Open Services, and we are going to be disabling some services that the utility missed. Data usage, right click on Properties, disable it, stop it, apply, okay. Play enhancement service, disable it, stop, apply, okay. I have Google Play services. I'll put it at manual, disable this service. This is for Lenovo. Logi options for my webcam, I'll put it in manual, stop, okay. Some services you can't disable, the ones they have numbers on it. You can stop it, but you can't disable it. I don't have a printer, so I'll disable print spooler. Server, I don't have a server. I'll disable themes. Touch keyboard, I don't have a workstation, so disable it, and we're done. Now, type power plan in your Windows search. Make sure Chris Titus Ultimate Power Plan is active. Put your time. Disk time is at 0. JavaScript at maximum performance. Slideshow paused. Power saving mode at maximum performance. Sleep never. I'll awake timer, I guess disable it. USB enabled. PCI Express power state off, no power savings. Processor, you want it at 100% minimum and at 100% maximum. Turn off display, for me it's 15 minutes. Prevent from idling. Playback performance, optimize video quality, and for AMD power, select best performance. Now right click on your desktop and open NVIDIA Control Panel. Restore to defaults. Click yes. Then apply. Go to manage 3D settings. Enable low latency mode to on. Don't use ultra. If you have a G-Sync monitor, enable it. You could also cap your frame rate if you want. Power management mode, prefer maximum performance. Shader cache, 10 GB. Texture filtering quality, high performance. Texture filtering, off. You don't want VSync, so turn it off. Go to change resolution and make sure your refresh rate is at the maximum of your monitor. And also at the highest resolution. Click apply. Good. If you want to overclock your graphics card, install MSI Afterburner and then run it. Set the power limit to the max as well as the temp limit, and for the core clock, go up by 10 MHz or 20 MHz. Every step tested, go up another 20 until you experience crashing or artifacting. Mine is stable at 120. Same thing for memory clock, go up by 100. Mine is stable at 1000. Click apply. If you want your overclock to apply when you boot up your PC, click on the Windows icon. In your BIOS, make sure either XMP or Expo is enabled for your RAM. I'm using a Ryzen. Make sure SoC voltage is at maximum 1.2 volt. Now go to AMD overclocking, PBO, select advanced. PBO limits motherboard, temp limit at 85 degrees, and go to curve optimizer. Select all cores, and for optimizer sign negative, try out 10. Mine is stable at 10. If 10 is stable, try 15, 20. You can test it with IDA 64 Extreme. Now we're going to disable our integrated graphics. I'll enable dedicated graphics only. Also enable resize bar support. Now for the RAM, these are my RAM settings at Expo 6000 MHz, CL36, 38, 38, 80. But I asked ChatGPT to lower my timings. According to my RAM, it's a Crucial Pro overclocking 6000 CL36 DDR5. I tested each setting one by one with IDA 64. Finally got these results. Wow, look at that. Our process count went from 138 to just 64. That's less than half. Also, we saved more than a gigabyte of RAM. Our disk and our internet usage went down. That's a big win right there. Our average FPS went up by around 3% and our minimum FPS went up by 8%. Overall, my PC feels snappier and my gameplay feels smoother. Like if this guide was beneficial to you, comment, subscribe, follow me on Twitch, follow me on TikTok. Bye bye.
I'm lifing them if you can. Get them all scrambled.
Don't fight things. Crouch.
I can't because of the little.
You can just
wood
play it,
chest.
just play it.
I'm all left 5 feet, 5 feet. He push.
Running.
He push.
Running.
Ball.
Behind the bar, behind the bar.
You know, 5 ping, 5 ping. You know.
Run up on him.